So we have a really serious disease called kauri dieback, which affects the kauri trees here in New Zealand. So what you just saw was a little bit of an attempt to, well no, it's a major attempt to keep the disease from spreading by making sure people's footwear is clean and not transmitting the harmful pathogen that kills the trees from one place to another, which I fully support. If you're interested in visiting Kitekite Falls, it's roughly an hour's drive away from Auckland City. It's about a 45-minute walk to the Kitekite Falls at the base of them. It starts from the car park and it leads right to the waterfall. And it's more or less an easy track, and it offers excellent views of the falls on the way and has some benches along the way for you to sit down after the few uphill sections that there are to have a little bit of a snack. The last part of the track has some stairs which can be slippery, so make sure you've got the right shoes when you're going downstairs.